Hello everyone, my name is Terry. Today, I will be going to examine the pieces of evidence for the faster psychological maturity in females as compared to males. I will be discussing both theoretical and practical viewpoints for the assertion that why do females mature sooner in life than males. I would be elaborating on sheets of evidence with the help of research studies based on psychological, cognitive, and social emotional developmental aspects. The first evidence is based on a journal article highlighting the psychological aspect of the assertion. White matter is one of the prime tissues which are responsible for cognitive functioning because it carries signals between various brain areas and it involves the axons and elongations of brain cells. Pauls and colleagues studied the structural changes in the white matter of brains of young adults from childhood to early adulthood using MRI scans. It was concluded that the white matter in female brain tends to integrate and shape themselves earlier between 2 and 3 years than males. It was also suggested that earlier growth of white matter was observed in girls from infancy through early adulthood than boys as they show continuous growth in white matter from middle adolescence. This indicates that the efficiency in responding and in hybridity control is better in women than men, leading to faster psychological maturity due to psychological reasons. Therefore, it can be said that the gender differences with respect to psychological development has research evidence imprinted in psychological roots, and the brains of females are clipped faster than males, leading to quicker psychological adjustments. The second piece of evidence is based on another journal article suggesting the cognitive aspect of assertion. Zhe and colleagues conducted a study to examine the gender differences with the help of a comprehensive computerized battery to measure the cognitive domains. There were 3,500 participants from the age group of 8 to 21 years. The results suggested that gender differences were evident as women performed better than men in various cognitive domains such as attention, speed of reasoning, facial and vocabulary memory, and other social cognition assessments. This finding indicates that women tend to grow psychologically faster than men on various cognitive activities. On the whole, it can be said that the mental processing of females is better as compared to males that help females to be quicker in psychological maturation. The last evidence focuses on the social-emotional explanation of the assertion using a journal article. Rose and Rudolph examined the differences in the emotion and social development between males and females. The study used the peer socialization model to understand the social, emotional, and behavior styles of boys and girls during schooling. It was found that females began to understand emotional signals earlier in life than males do. Girls are more likely to be empathic, caring, delicate, and kind than boys during school life. Overall, it can be said that social emotional development speeds up for females during school years, only which leads to better psychological maturity than males. Now, I will be evaluating the three pieces of evidence used to discuss the assertion. The study conducted by Pauls 2001 only focuses on white matter. There can be other brain areas on neutral connections between that explain this assertion in favor of females. The research conducted by Zhe and colleagues suggests that Males also outperform females on several cognitive domains such as processing speed and motor performance. However, better performance on social cognition tasks and reasoning speed was displayed by females, which suggests that mental reasoning for them is higher than males. Lastly, Rose and Rudolph studied social emotional developmental patterns in boys and girls only during school years and not included other stages of development. However, as suggested by other studies, major emotional and social growth could be traced during childhood. Therefore, the study made an implicative contribution. Conclusively, it can be suggested that all three pieces of evidence discussed previously helped to gain insights about the statement that women mature psychologically faster than men. These suggest that psychological, mental, and social emotional development aspects help females to better adjust and mature as compared to males. Here are the references. Thanks for listening.